Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states that a desert Arab swore allegiance to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He then got down with high fever in Medina Munawwara. He quickly came back to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, "Return me my pledge, nullify it." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam refused. He came again and submitted, "Return me my pledge," but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again refused. He thereafter again came and submitted, "O Muhammad, return me my pledge." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again refused. When the desert Arab had gone, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Undoubtedly Medina Munawwara is like a furnace which removes the impurities which come in Medina Munawwara and purify the purity in Medina Munawwara." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3342.